Today we are taking a short hike.
Today
Where are you going, Elisa?
I'm going to hiking
To where?
in picnic.
A picnic in a
Yes,
hills? No, not in the hills, in the river.
in the river.
Okay, see you guys.
We'll die. Hi.
So we have done 2 kilometers and we still have to walk a little more. So yes, this is the way where we gonna take a walk. Beautiful. Go run, Elisa. Run, run, run. Yes. Are you enjoying? Elisa,
Hmm?
what is the name of this flower?
Billy goat meat.
Oh, it's a billy goat. Wait.
Yes.
Oh, so beautiful. Let's keep going.
What is this, Daddy?
What?
What's this?
It's a flower. Don't pluck flower. Okay.
Who do susu?
Let's go.
Dad, who do susu?
Goat.
He do.
Okay.
Ew.
Let's go.
Who do susu, Dad?
The dog, cow,
Dog, cow,
uh,
and bull meat.
and bull did. Yes.
It so smells bad.
Yes, it smells bad. So we have done the Broadway and we are taking the narrow trail. Elisa is leading the way. Elisa, keep going. Keep going. I'm coming behind you. Okay, nice. This is a beautiful tea trail. And Elisa, are you enjoying? Okay.
Daddy.
Yes. Come, come. Don't touch. Ibu says. Hi Lisa.
Hi, Daddy.
So yes, we walked approx 3 kilometers to the rivers. You can see the river here. And yes, we are taking a short break and having our picnic. Elisa, what are you doing?
Hi, eating Gigi with donut.
Oh, you're eating ziggy donut.
Yes.
Okay, are you enjoying?
Yes.
You like hiking?
Yes.
Do you want to come tomorrow again?
Yes.
Okay, so here we are going to end our vlog. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So yes, before we go, we have to take everything back. Leave no trace. Yes.
I have 5.
Where are you going, Alicia?
We are going back home.
Okay, let's go.